The Central Bank of India has once again come to the rescue of borrowers, and in a fresh directive, RBI has pulled up the lenders, instructing them to release property documents within 30 days once the loan is paid in full. If a bank fails to comply, then it has to pay a penalty of 5,000 rupees per day. The new directive comes into effect from 1st December, and not just this. The first time, the place of the return of the original property documents should also be clearly mentioned in the loan sanction letters. To make the process convenient, the borrower shall be given the option to collect the original documents either from the bank where the loan account was serviced or from any other office as per their preference. In case a lender loses the documents, they will assist the borrower in obtaining the duplicate documents and will also bear the cost for the same. The borrowers are also entitled to a compensation in case the documents are lost. The new direction comes just days after a premier bank was ordered to pay 25 lakhs rupees as compensation to the client for losing critical original property documents. My colleague Ankur Mishra is joining me right now to get us more details. Well, Ankur, this is a big move coming from the RBI in support of the borrowers in this particular case, where the lenders will have to bear the consequences and the compensation if they end up misplacing the documents. Once the loan is fully paid, a 30 minutes time frame is given to the lenders, to the banks to come up with the release of the documents. But this is a huge relief for the borrowers if they would have had any apprehension whatsoever. Now, of course, the RBI has stepped up in their support.
Yes, definitely. It is a relief for home buyers, particularly those who has mortgaged their home, and particularly they have to give their property papers to the bank for getting that loan. Now, Reserve Bank of India, on the complaints of customers that many of the lenders were following divergent practices, have come out with these norms. In that, clear specification and direction to the lenders is that within 30 days, you have to return those property papers, and if it is 30 plus 1 day, 5,000 per day penalty will be there, and this will be continued. This is not just limited to the property papers which has been torn or not in good condition. In that condition also, Reserve Bank of India has clearly said that you have to assist the borrower in getting the original document or the duplicate papers. So banks cannot just run away saying that after 20 years or 25 years when the loan is repaid, that property paper is damaged or the ink is not proper. The borrowers have the right to ask their lenders, and within 30 days borrowers should be satisfied by the lenders. And if at all there is failure in complying to these directions, 5,000 rupees per day penalty is there from Reserve Bank of India.